Bonafide Hustler here, and I am stoked because it's garage sale day, and we haven't had garage sales in a while here in Austin, Texas. Let's see what we can find today. It's cold, but I'm so pumped up. Guys, welcome to my channel. I'm the Bonafide Hustler. I reside in Austin, Texas. On a part-time basis, I go to garage sales and pretty much thrift stores, and I find used items and I put it on eBay, Amazon, Craigslist, my antique booth, Facebook Marketplace. Anyways, make sure you subscribe to this channel to make some money. First, we gotta wait for my dumbass brother. We're freaking late. Hey, E-Money.
What?
Why do you have a tank top on?
Because it's gonna be a warm day today, but it's so that I could show everyone our sponsors.
Our sponsors?
Yeah. Yeah.
You sponsored my video? You sponsored my video, E-Money? You sponsored my video? Hey, you ready to make some money finally today?
Yeah.
All right, come on, let's go. Let's get in here. Got my booth tags, got extra batteries in here, got my receipt book. I'm ready to rock. What is it?
Our pets' heads are falling off.
All right, first garage sale should be right down here somewhere.
Third right.
Oh my God, I'm so pumped. And I got E-Money navigating right here. Third right, okay. And there's another one that's really, well, somewhat close, and it's gonna be at a 7:30 garage sale. So it's about 7:10 right now. I can't wait to find some good stuff today. Oh, it's gonna be the best. Probably gonna be a bunch of resellers out today because we haven't had a garage sale, a good garage sales in like forever. Weather, you know, kind of screwed it all up. It looks terrible, but it's beautiful. Oh, there's a skeleton in a chair. Oh, oh no!
Scratch up your paint. Oh.
Oh no! Oh no! I scratched my paint. No.
Let's go to it again. Skeleton looks familiar.
Come on. First garage sale, we didn't find anything, but it feels good to just go to a garage sale, doesn't it?
Yeah. I was gonna say that I think the last time I saw that skeleton,
yeah,
it had a jester hat on with fairy wings.
I think you might be right. We have been here before. I don't know if we bought anything here before. We have been here before. Anyways, next garage sale, let's go. There is a lot of stuff. It's huge. Yeah. Dude, this looks crazy. So we're gonna go find something here, hopefully, and we'll show you guys what we find in 1 second. All right, killer garage sale. Killer. First garage sale of the morning, killed it.
Okay, guess what?
What?
You know what that score that is?
What's that?
It's an ace.
Oh, okay.
It's an ace.
It's an ace. All right, so we scored this, oh man, this giant bike. It's so sick. Anyways, we paid, for everything here that you're seeing, we paid $63. So I'll show you some of the things. We got a diffuser right here. That's for E-Money. We got some random batteries. Anytime you're at a garage sale and you find random batteries like this, you should get them because you can test other things out with them. A grill cover, Philadelphia Eagles. I just need a grill cover, so here's a brand new grill cover that'll protect my grill. We have a Star Wars Advent calendar, which I will look up individual figures later on, but that's just chilling right there. Got these CD shoes right here as part of the deal. That'll resell for about $50. I also got E-Money got a Bobble-Lot Arrow racket right there. That'll resell for about $40, $50, right?
TBD.
TBD, okay. Yeah. And then this is the big winner right here. This will sell for between $300 and $500. This is a giant road bike right here. Pretty nice. So yeah, we paid $63 for everything and just killer finds. First garage sale of the morning, killed it.
Freezing. Freezing.
E-Money, I killed it. Did you kill it?
Huh.
Oh, you did it. You did it. Oh yeah, there was a Plantronics headset in there as well. I made sure to get this. You can test these out really easily on a computer, and a lot of these will go for around 30 to 50 bucks on Amazon. Next garage sale right down here. We're getting close to Central Austin. Oh, I see the sign, E-Money. I see the sign. We're ace of base in this one. Ooh, it's down here somewhere. People might think that this is like a nice neighborhood, but in Austin, Texas, this is very eclectic. This is an eclectic neighborhood. Might have cheddar. Ooh. I see pink. Oh, I hate pink. Ew. But I see Austinites though. Terrible. I like Austinites. Oh, you know what? I'm pulling up.
Dude, you're gonna put me inside the freaking artichoke.
No, I won't put you on the artichoke. Oh yeah, maybe I will put you on the artichoke. Ah, all right, right there. There you go.
Hey. See you around. More like never.
I said see you around, but that was a lie. Okay, so we didn't find anything there, but find another garage sale. There's like 3 or 4 around this area. All right, next garage sale somewhere around here. What? That's a shopping cart? E-money, are we in the hood? E-money, is this the hood?
Yeah, Target's about like a mile that way.
Target is not hood, E-money.
No, but I didn't say it was. I said it's about a mile that way. So if the cart's here, yeah, it's probably said we're in the hood. About a mile in to the hood left.
We're into the hood. We're gonna find some cheddar in the hood, I guess.
Hood cheese.
Oh, I see a garage sale.
Hood cheese.
Oh, I see 2 garage sales. E-money. We struck gold in the hood.
This one might be good.
This one is a garage sale, and the next one down there is a garage sale.
Cool.
Oh yeah, this is interesting. Let's go check it out. Oh, I see a Mighty Morphin Power Ranger right there. I'm not even kidding. You see it? Nope. In the Power Ranger. Nope. Not gonna buy it.
She got me on that one so bad.
What did she get you on? What did she say?
And over here we have church.
Shirts?
No, not even shirts. It was churs.
Churs?
Like churs.
Oh, not shirts, but not shirts, but shirts. See another garage sale right here, you money.
Yeah, churs and choose.
Okay. This one looks, oh, cowboy boots all day. This looks like a booth got cleared out though on this one.
Oh,
I'm not gonna be optimistic on this one.
It does look like a booth.
Yeah, I don't know about this. Okay, so we didn't find anything at those 2 garage sales. A bunch of boots at this one right here, but she was asking 10 bucks for each, and none of the boots were just stellar boots that would sell in my booth. I like getting boots that are like 1 to 5 bucks, but in, you know, semi plain to nice, but these are like not even that good, and she wants 10 bucks for each one. I don't think so. Next garage sale down here. Have been to this one before. They have a decent garage sale every year. They have a huge sign, usually like a wood sign. It says yard sale or something. Yep. This is like their thing, you know, that's their sign right there. The sign is definitely the most high quality yard sale sign I've ever seen. But sometimes it's like a little too pricey at this place.
Oh man,
all right,
so nice.
E-money got a jacket. Look at this thing. That thing is cool, man. Stylish. Easy money. How much you pay for that thing?
$12?
12 bucks.
Yeah.
And he likes it. And it's a long one. That's pretty cool. I got a Jand pannier that's expandable for like a farmer's market kind of thing. It's pretty cool. These things can usually resell between 30 and 50, although I'll probably use it then, I'll resell it later. Got a jacket for 10 bucks. That's perfect for my booth. It's like a little basic windbreaker, but it's got these really cool stripes on the side. So pretty neat. And then I got this Levi's jean jacket for 10 bucks with a little embroidery inside, or this like sewn on patch looking thing. Anyways, this thing I'll put in my booth for around 30 or so. Should be pretty good. Standard, just Levi's medium jean jacket. Pretty awesome. There's some interesting stuff, but who knows? Let's go check it out, E-money. All right, so from that garage sale, I spent $9. I got this Crimson DS right here. These are usually north of 30 bucks. But I think I have some cord and some games I can pair it up with to where I can maybe get 40, 50 for this Crimson DS. Got some Goodwill gliders right here. These are gonna be messed with in our cul-de-sac. Fun stuff right there. Got this Moen cartridge, which anything with a barcode, she basically threw this thing in. So I'll scan that here in a second. But I think the real winner is this US flag. I spent $9. This is really old flag. I have to count the stars and all that kind of stuff, but it could be a really good winner. Not 100% sure. It's a TBD kind of price. E-money got a boomerang.
This is an exact replica from, what is it, Mad Max? And it's like
the little kid, the little dirty ass kid. That's so funny. Next stop is this Goodwill right here. Let's see if we can find anything in this place. It's actually surprisingly cold here in Austin this morning. Man, not fun. Well, there it is. I think I found the ugliest boot ever in existence. Look at this nasty thing. So we didn't find anything there, but we did find the world's ugliest boots. All right, let's get some coffee. E-money just said you have to put this on camera. What? You just got this jacket. There's something in the pocket.
Here we go. Thumbnail.
What is it?
All right. Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. Nightclub floor show lap dancers.
Oh, no way. What else?
For number 2, Paris nightclub
Piano bar. Anything else? There's more?
Button.
A button. Ew, a button, gross! That's disgusting. Stripper button. Anything else?
No, I mean, it's a fun.
Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. We gotta laminate that. That thing's pretty cool. Dude, we have got to laminate that. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Holy crap.
Super gross.
Thing smells like Badussy, doesn't it? All right, so the coffee shop of the day today is CHEDDAR Coffee Shop in Austin, Texas. This one is really cool. And it's neat. So it's in this kind of canopy art district looking thing. It's really wild, pretty cool. On a nice sunny day, there's like 1 million people here, like outside. Check it out. Whoa, this is cool. Got our cortados. It's about to be taco time soon. I can feel it. Need to wake up a little bit. Got the cortados from CHEDDAR. Let's give it a try, E-Money. Cheers. Cheers. That's good. That's a 2.
Man, we waited a while. It's still nice on the inside.
To be honest, we waited a while to consume it because E-Money didn't know what the term Badussy meant. I'm not gonna tell you what it means here, but you have to look it up. A little Urban Dictionary word. It's really bad.
Spell it for them.
No, it's really bad. No, some people will know what it is, but nobody. I'm not even gonna say it on this video. But that's what Chicka Chicka Boom Boom card probably smells like. Anyways, let's go to the next Goodwill or sale or something. We'll find something. So we're about to be at the farmer's market. I have to pick up my eggs, pasture-raised eggs. And we're listening to some Luciano Pavarotti. If you're not down with Luciano Pavarotti, you are missing out. Oh my gosh, it is so good. This is what we got raised listening to classical music. That's all we ever listened to. So we pretty much know just about all of it.
On that with a little bit of NWA.
A little bit of NWA, yeah, and some Public Enemy, some Metallica, some Soul Asylum,
yep,
some Alice in Chains, some AC/DC,
some Beatles,
some Elton John, some Blue Oyster Cult. What else did Mom and Dad listen to?
Some BB King.
Yeah, there you go.
Bob Marley.
Yeah, some Bob Marley for sure. Some Beach Boys for sure.
Oh yeah.
All right, so here we are at the farmer's market. I'm gonna stop here for one second.
Chill here.
All right, chill here, E-Money.
Yeah.
You know where I can find some good eggs?
Man, I think I might be able to help you out.
All right, dude. Shirttail Creek Farm. If you're in Austin, Texas, get the eggs here. They're good. You can pre-order them as well. Look at that. Got the eggs. Here we go. You live in Austin, Texas. Go see this guy.
Right, hit the chime. Hit the chime.
Man, there's so many shoes. Some nice looking boots. Yeah, it says 600 on the sleeve. That's how you know it's a 600 fill.
Oh yeah, it did.
600 filled down jacket right here, 25 bucks. Look that up. We got Patagonia shorts here for 15 bucks. Might get into those, not 100%. This Goodwill always has really good clothing, but you have to hunt around for it. It'll sneak up on you. Man, for personal use, it's great. For resale use, like, sometimes the prices are a little high, but that's okay. Probably gonna get into it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, that's a good one, right? About 80, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, 80 to 100 easily. I'm gonna look this up. How much is this thing? 10 bucks? Yeah, this is gonna be looking, I'm gonna look this up. I'm pretty sure this is a buy. I was just about to check out and I noticed a flaw in an actual compartment on that backpack. So you gotta unzip things and look through all the compartments, make sure there's no really off, off crazy. You gotta make sure there's no crazy super smudges or anything like that. Weird smells. But I did find a small hole, like a fraying kind of hole inside one of the pockets. So look at all your zippers, check inside the bags. E-Money is still going to be buying this 600 fill North Face jacket right here. Nice. It's really nice.
I guess that's 2 for you.
Got a titanium bike for $5, sir. Got a titanium bike for $5.
Might be selling this Toomey bag pretty soon right here.
Nice.
Local sale happening soon.
What'd you get there? What'd you get there?
Yeah. Very cool, dude. Okay. Yeah, so hopefully this Toomey bag will sell here in 1 second. Go out in the parking lot and sell this thing, make some money. Okay, I told Elmerson to film me, but apparently I was right behind this thing outside. But I sold it for 60 bucks. I think I'm like $10 into it, so $50 profit right there on that bag. I got 2 tacos. I got a full large beans for myself. E-Money's got a full large beans as well. 2 tacos, all the salsas in the world. We're gonna eat this stuff up and we'll see you after this. All right, so we're back in our neighborhood. The tacos were delicious. We dropped some stuff off at the booth. Got to meet someone in there that bought some boots from me that really likes them. Sold. It's a $40 bike and it just sold for 80. See you later.
I bought those bikes to bucks though.
Okay, so it's later in the evening. I actually sold an Orvis hunting jacket downtown. I was $10 into that. I sold it for 80 bucks. And so that was pretty cool. I didn't capture it on video. I should have. But anyways, we got 2 more local sales going down today. It's a Saturday. And this just goes to show you that if you make sure on Friday morning that you put a bunch of, make sure that all your ads are good and make sure that your local listings are all good to go over the weekend. Makes you some good money. Here are the other things that are selling today. We got some 404 Red Wing work boots right there. Those I think I'm 10 bucks into these, maybe 13, and those are selling for 70. And then this Gore bike wear long sleeve bike jacket right here. Probably would have sold on eBay for around 100. I'm gonna sell it for 60 locally, and I am $10 into that. So pretty awesome right there. 4 local sales today so far. Is it 4? Maybe more. I think it's 4 so far. So not too bad. And those are the items right there. Guys, thanks a lot for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed the ride along and the garage sales and all the fun we had this morning. I'll see you on the next Bonafide Hustler ride along. Take it easy. Goodbye.